and welcome to yet another tutorial. My name is Carolina and today I'll show you how to make this cute bikini top using my new sewing pattern called Claire. You can find this pattern from my shop on Etsy and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. To start, place front and back panels together and join them on the side seams. One panel on the left side and the other on the right side, using a zigzag stitch. Then place the front and back panels together, right side to right side, and sew the top and bottom edges, using a zigzag stitch and the elastic. Thanks to the elastic, the seam won't snap while stretching. For this tutorial, I'm using 5mm white elastic. Turn the bikini to the right side and sew the side seams together. Leave a small gap approximately 2 cm long, then back out the top. Top stitch the gap and turn the bikini to the right side. As the next step, we need to make a bow. Place 2 panels together, right side to right side, and sew them together, leaving a small gap. Turn the bow to the right side and top stitch the gap. then tie a bow at the center front of the bikini, and that's it, your perfect Claire bikini top. Thank you for watching.